Well, hello folks, it's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. How are we doing? It's great to be back on two wheels. Just a bit of a ride out for a few hours on a Saturday morning. So anybody who's been watching the channel for a little while knows I don't ride a lot locally. So I'm discovering places today on the Nukeproof, on the old gravel bike. Just did a route quickly this morning. I'm following an old disused railway line. If you may be watching the channel for a couple of years, you see I do ride in lots of different areas. When I'm at home, I seem to be in different places. So the short story is, for 3 months of the year I stay with my mum and dad over in Cleethorpes on the east coast of England, and the rides are always in the Wolds during the winter, sort of late autumn period. And then for 9 months the rest of the year, or maybe 8 depending on the weather, I'm back here in North Lincolnshire in the area which is called the Isle of Axholme. It's very flat. For me that's kind of boring, so I often head elsewhere, which is why, well, it's one of the many reasons why I got a gravel bike, really, just to go somewhere different, find different places to ride your bike. It's a whole world of discovery. You probably know that if you just bought a gravel bike and watching this video, you think, wow, I went out yesterday and there's a whole world out there, a whole new world. And I got that feeling today. I'm going places that I've never been before. So this is the route that I'll be taking today, around the Isle of Axholme, then north of Lincolnshire, round Flixborough, Winterton, up onto the edge of the Ancombe Valley, before jumping over quickly along the cycle path near Brigg. Maybe I'll show the heat map on Strava. This bit here, I've never been there before, never been along that road. And that's just what happens when you get on a gravel bike. You start exploring your area in even greater detail and find links between them. And looking down at my map, I know exactly where I am as well. And to think this is all here, never knew about it. Oh, look at this guy. So this is what was the Axholme line. Now, like many disused railway lines, become something else. In this case, a nature reserve. Bit of a fun descent. So windy today. Oh. So it took 9k to get down to the start of the trail today. It's probably one of the hardest parts of the ride as a whole, I'd imagine. Though it could maybe be tricky get back. Shouldn't be too bad though, because I've worked it out really well. It's mostly on trails. I shall be returning by the Isle of Axholme Greenway, which is, well, it's fairly exposed. But it's right alongside a canal, along a path. You're having to deal with cars. Should be a bit of shelter. One thing I meant to mention earlier, when you find these new routes, is the ability to link them into your road bike rides. Because you inevitably find somewhere half decent, I guess, that you can jump on your road bike and just get across places. Maybe this is one, I don't know. Been good so far. depends if it comes out the other end. Kind of running alongside Idle Bank, which is this huge, long, straight boring section of quiet country lane. Yeah, this is not road bike territory. Oh, great. Less than 3 miles from home is this great gravel track. So I'm heading northwest now towards Kidby Bridge. Ding! I feel it may not be the best choice, however, it's the most prettiest. Beautiful tailwind, absolutely storming along here now. It's been really, really good. This ride has also got me thinking of organising a gravel ride in September. I'm looking at the 24th of September. Distance yet to be decided, probably going to be between 70 and 90k. Nothing super technical, the odd kind of slightly overgrown bit, but nothing you know, it's going to be good fun. You're not going to get any dead ends or having to drag yourself out of the nettles or anything like that. Wow, what a glorious view. Smell of freshly cut grass. Arrived at the furthest point on this ride, the Ancombe Valley. Just gone up Piggery Lane, and just like the name suggests, it's a bit of a pig to get up. But you're afforded with some fantastic views. I might not be hanging around too long though, because it's like a little bit of rain in the air. Now I've often mentioned this as I've stopped here, kind of stop here once every season, and this is the summer season, which is frankly nearly over. We're at August the 12th. Meteorologically the summer ends end of August. I don't believe that, I don't follow that. I follow the solstices, so for me the summer ends, I think it's 21st of September, the autumn equinox, the autumn equinox. There's a bit to go before it starts raining. been a beautiful ride, really enjoying myself. Been off the bike the last couple of weeks through injury and recently got COVID as well, so it's nice just been able to get back on the bike again. Spin the legs, bit of fresh air, feel the warmth on my face. Love it when a plan comes together. Just following the route, avoiding the rain. How long can it continue for? Who knows? Anyway, if you do fancy hooking up for a gravel ride in September on the 24th, let me know down in the comments below on this video or any other videos all about it, just to get an idea of numbers, and perhaps I'll see you next month here in Lincolnshire. Anyway, I'm going to head down this hill, enjoy the rest of the ride, what's left of it, and well, all that's left for me to say is goodbye. I shall see you in the next one. Take care. If I miss this now, I'll be so lucky.